Gentlemen, listen closely, because what I'm about to share might just change your nights forever. Aging is inevitable, but decline is optional. You don't have to accept weakness, fatigue, or fading performance as just part of getting older. The truth is, your body still has incredible power within it, waiting to be reawakened. And tonight, we're going to talk about exactly how to do that. Because strength, stamina, and passion aren't lost with age, they're lost with neglect. It's time to take back control of your vitality, one smart decision at a time. There's a natural force within every man, a drive that defines confidence, virility, and presence. But over time, life's pressures, poor sleep, unhealthy food, and lack of movement begin to dim that internal flame. Testosterone dips, circulation weakens, and energy fades. Yet, there is good news. Your body has the power to rebuild. And it begins not in the gym, not in the clinic, but in the kitchen. Before you go to bed tonight, one small dietary shift could start to restore that lost edge. You see, certain foods trigger the body's natural production of nitric oxide, the key molecule that relaxes blood vessels, improves circulation, and enhances performance. It's nature's way of keeping you energized, confident, and ready. Foods like beets, pomegranate, and watermelon are not just healthy, they're natural performance boosters. They help your blood flow smoothly, your energy lasts longer, and your nights become stronger. Imagine ending your day not exhausted, but charged, knowing that your body is working with you, not against you. When you fuel yourself with purpose, your body responds with power. Every choice before bed sets the stage for how you'll feel tomorrow morning and how you'll perform when it matters most. But here is the truth few talk about. It is not just about what you eat, it's about when you eat it. Consuming performance-supporting foods before bed allows your body to repair and rebuild overnight. During sleep, your cells regenerate, your hormones balance, and your blood vessels strengthen. That is why the hours before sleep are sacred, the time when your body transforms your habits into results. So start small. Tonight, choose one powerful natural food that enhances your circulation and vitality. Skip the late-night junk and fuel yourself with purpose. Make it a ritual, a promise to your body that you're not done yet, that your best days and nights are still ahead. Your body is not slowing down. It's simply waiting for the right fuel. The truth is, everything you put inside your body becomes the foundation for how you perform, how you feel, and how you live. What you eat doesn't just satisfy hunger, it programs your body for energy, strength, and endurance. When you choose foods that restore blood flow, boost testosterone, and energize your cells, you awaken the power that's been dormant inside you. Your body has always been capable. It simply needs the right signal, the right nutrition, and the right mindset to perform at its peak again. Think about it every day. Your body fights to keep you alive, to protect you, to heal you. And when you give it the right fuel, it rewards you with energy, confidence, and drive. You don't have to feel sluggish or weak just because time is moving forward. The difference between feeling tired and feeling unstoppable begins with what you choose to eat before the day ends. Every bite matters. The foods you consume can either weaken your system or empower it. When you fill your body with refined sugars, processed fats, and empty calories, you drain your natural vitality. You slow down your circulation, disrupt your hormones, and deprive your body of what it needs to function as a powerful, efficient machine. But when you eat with purpose, when you choose foods rich in antioxidants, nitrates, and essential minerals, you tell your body to perform, to repair, to build. Beets, spinach, pomegranates, dark chocolate, and watermelon aren't just healthy options. They are performance foods that awaken blood flow and oxygen delivery throughout your body. This improved circulation becomes the secret to endurance, confidence, and strength. You begin to feel alive again, not just physically but mentally and emotionally as well. When you eat consciously, your energy changes. Your digestion becomes smoother, your mood lifts, your sleep deepens, and your metabolism fires up. It's not magic, it's biology responding to consistency. You're teaching your body to expect nutrients that support life rather than substances that slow it down. With each good choice, you're telling yourself that you still care about the man you see in the mirror. You're sending a message to your body that you're not done yet, that you still expect greatness, that you still demand power. Food becomes your ally, your weapon, your fuel source for longevity and passion. Every strong man begins his transformation with one simple decision: to treat his body like it deserves the best. You cannot expect elite performance from poor nourishment. If you put cheap fuel into a powerful engine, it sputters and fails. But give it premium fuel and it roars back to life. That's exactly how your body responds when you nourish it properly. Your heart pumps stronger, your stamina increases, your muscles recover faster, and your mind sharpens. You begin to notice small changes: waking up with more energy, moving with less stiffness, feeling more alert during the day. Those small wins compound over time into unshakable strength. The way you eat is not just about your physical health, it's about your identity, your mindset, and your purpose. When you make better choices, you're not only feeding your body, you're feeding your confidence. You start to feel more in control, more powerful, more alive. Food stops being a source of guilt and becomes a tool of empowerment. Every meal becomes an act of self-respect. Discipline in your diet today becomes dominance in your life tomorrow. When you fuel your body with intention, your energy becomes contagious. People around you notice the change: you walk taller, you think clearer, you perform better. You begin to remember what real strength feels like, and your body responds by giving you more of it every single day. Energy, stamina, and strength all depend on one vital force flowing within you: your circulation. It's the foundation of your vitality, the quiet engine behind every heartbeat, every breath, and every spark of energy you feel. When your circulation thrives, every cell in your body receives the oxygen and nutrients it needs to function at its best. But when it slows down, you begin to feel tired, heavy, and drained. You lose that natural sharpness, that spark that once made you feel unstoppable. Healthy blood flow is not just about physical function, it's about life itself. It fuels your brain, empowers your muscles, and keeps your organs strong. When your circulation is strong, you feel grounded, alert, and confident. You carry yourself differently because your body is alive from the inside out. The foods you eat, the way you move, and even how you breathe all determine how efficiently your blood flows. For many men, poor circulation begins silently. Sitting too long, eating heavy processed meals, skipping exercise, and losing quality sleep slowly weaken the vascular system. Over time, the arteries stiffen, the heart works harder, and energy begins to fade. But just as easily as poor habits can drain your power, the right ones can rebuild it. Nature provides everything needed to support optimal circulation: fruits, vegetables, and natural compounds that keep your arteries flexible and your blood vessels open. Foods like beets, pomegranates, and watermelon are rich in nitrates, which help the body produce nitric oxide. Nitric oxide relaxes and widens your blood vessels, allowing blood to move more freely throughout your body. This means more oxygen, more nutrients, and more life force reaching every cell. When your circulation improves, everything in your body begins to shift. Your heart doesn't have to work as hard. Your energy levels rise naturally. You think clearer, your endurance increases, and your mood becomes lighter. You begin to experience what it feels like to have your body working with you instead of against you. That clarity and flow radiate outward into how you carry yourself, how you speak, and how you show up in every part of your life. Circulation is confidence because when your body feels alive, your mind follows. You stand taller, you move stronger, and you think with purpose. You don't drag through the day. You glide through it with certainty and calm power. Circulation also controls recovery. When your blood flow is strong, your muscles heal faster, your tissues repair efficiently, and your body removes toxins more effectively. You wake up feeling refreshed, not stiff or sore. You can handle stress better because your cardiovascular system supports you instead of straining under pressure. Every breath becomes more powerful, every movement more purposeful. You stop merely existing and start living at your full potential again. When you take care of your circulation, you take care of your longevity. The best part is that rebuilding circulation doesn't require extreme effort, it requires consistency and awareness. Drinking plenty of water, eating nitrate-rich foods, cutting out excess sugar, moving your body daily, and managing stress all combine to create a flow of energy that never fades. Even a brisk walk, a few stretches or deep breathing exercises can send waves of oxygen throughout your body, reigniting energy where it's been lost. The body responds quickly when it's given what it needs. Blood begins to move, oxygen begins to flow, and your cells start to thrive again. Circulation is not just a physical function. It's a reflection of your vitality, your discipline, and your inner drive. When your blood moves freely, your spirit moves freely too. You start feeling connected to your body again, aware of your power and in control of your energy. The man who takes care of his circulation takes care of his confidence, because confidence doesn't come from words. It comes from the energy that flows through you when your body is alive and fully awake. While you sleep, your body becomes a laboratory of restoration and transformation. The nighttime hours are not just a pause between busy days, they are a sacred window where your body rebuilds, rebalances, and renews itself. What you choose to do before bed determines whether your body will work for you or against you while you rest. Your cells, your muscles, your hormones, and your heart all depend on the nutrients and habits you give them before you close your eyes. The food you eat at night becomes the foundation for how you'll feel the next morning. It's during this quiet time that your body resets your energy, repairs tissue, and stabilizes your mood. Nighttime isn't about slowing down, it's about powering up from within. As the day fades, your body begins to shift gears. It moves from activity mode to repair mode. During deep sleep, your growth hormone levels rise, your muscles rebuild, your brain clears toxins, and your blood vessels rejuvenate. This is why what you consume before bed matters so deeply. When you give your body natural performance-boosting nutrients, you feed the engine that restores your strength. Foods rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and nitric oxide precursors help your blood flow smoothly and your cells repair efficiently through the night. Eating clean, natural foods before bed allows your system to do its job uninterrupted, balancing your hormones, replenishing your energy, and keeping your circulation strong. Most people underestimate the power of nighttime nutrition. They fill their evenings with heavy meals, processed snacks, and sugar-laden drinks, forcing their bodies to digest when they should be repairing. Instead of healing, the body becomes overloaded and tired. But when you make intentional choices, such as having a handful of pomegranate seeds, a glass of beet juice, or a slice of watermelon before bed, you're sending your body a message. Prepare for recovery, prepare for growth, prepare for strength. These foods open your blood vessels, increase oxygen delivery, and allow nutrients to reach your muscles and tissues more efficiently as you rest. This is also the time your testosterone levels begin their natural cycle of replenishment. The male body restores hormonal balance while sleeping, and the better your sleep quality, the better your hormonal output. Proper nighttime nutrition supports this process by reducing inflammation, regulating blood sugar, and promoting calm, deep rest. When your body enters that deep restorative stage, you're not just sleeping, you're rebuilding. Every heartbeat, every breath, every chemical reaction inside you is working to make you stronger for the next day. The nighttime hours are also when your mind resets. Quality sleep repairs your mental energy and sharpens your focus. When your body is fueled properly, your brain functions better, your mood stabilizes, and your motivation strengthens. You wake up ready, instead of weary. You move through the day with a sense of vitality that others can feel. You begin to notice the difference in how you think, how you act, and how you carry yourself. That's the silent power of nighttime recovery. It doesn't shout, but it transforms you completely. Creating a nighttime ritual around nourishment and rest can become one of the most powerful habits of your life. It's not about deprivation. It's about preparation. Avoiding alcohol, refined sugar, and processed food before bed allows your body to enter deep rest without interruptions. Replacing them with natural energizers like magnesium-rich nuts, a small serving of fruit, or herbal teas helps your body transition into recovery mode smoothly. Pair this with a dark, quiet environment and consistent sleep schedule, and you begin to train your body to regenerate every night without fail. The quiet hours of the night are your body's most productive hours. When you give your system the right conditions, it works with precision. Your cells rebuild faster, your circulation improves, your energy returns stronger. You may not see it happening, but inside, your body is preparing for the next sunrise, arming you with the strength, focus, and vitality to perform again. Nighttime is not a time to neglect, it's the time to invest. Each hour of proper rest and recovery builds the man you will be tomorrow.